Hello, welcome to TV9 News. I'm your host Jyoti Jha and this is your one-stop destination for top trending entertainment stories. Now, Kangana Ranaut's much-awaited film Thalaivi has finally got a release date. The film, based on the life of South actor and politician Jayalalitha, will be hitting the screens on the 23rd of April this year. The announcement was made on the occasion of Jayalalitha's birth anniversary yesterday.
करोड़ों का नसीब बदलकर वो बन गई थलैवी।
Actor Shahid Kapoor is celebrating his 40th birthday today. Now, on this day, many of his fans and family members have been sharing many unseen pictures of the actor. In fact, actor Ishaan Khattar shared a collage of then and now picture, giving fans a glimpse of Shahid's childhood, where he is holding Ishaan in his hands. Shahid's film Jersey will be hitting the screens on the 5th of November, clashing with Akshay Kumar's Prithviraj. Sanjay Leela Bhansali celebrated his 58th birthday yesterday. Now, apart from releasing a teaser of his upcoming film Gangubai Kathiawadi to make his birthday special, the filmmaker also hosted a birthday party which was attended by many celebrities, including actress Alia Bhatt. Now, the pictures and videos of the celebrations are doing rounds on social media. According to various reports, American Idol alum Catherine McPhee and musician David Foster have welcomed their first child. Now, what is interesting here is that the 36-year-old American Idol star became a mom for the first time, as a 71-year-old husband became a dad for the 6th time. Now, Foster is a father to 5 daughters, oldest one being 50 years old and the youngest being 34 years old. Bollywood megastar is all set to shoot for his upcoming film Aankhein 2. Now, this Abhinay Deo directorial will also feature Siddharth Malhotra, Akshay Khanna and Sunil Grover in lead roles. Aankhein 2 is a sequel to 2002 film Aankhein, where 3 blind men successfully robbed a bank. Now, in the latest version of the film, Amitabh Bachchan will reprise his role and make a new team to rob a gambling establishment. Amitabh Bachchan has also teamed up with actor Anupam Kher and Boman Irani for Suraj Barjatia's film Unchai. Now, Unchai will mark the first collaboration of actor Amitabh Bachchan and actor Boman Irani. In fact, the film is going to be a feel-good friendship drama which will mostly talk about friendship in old age. Actor Salman Khan has reportedly commenced shooting for Shah Rukh Khan's Pathaan, now which will be a 10 to 12 days shoot. In fact, Salman Khan has an extended cameo in the film and it will also mark the return of the two actors after almost 25 years of Karan Arjun. Soon after Pathaan shoot, Salman Khan will also be beginning his shoot for his film Tiger 3 and Kabhi Eid Kabhi Diwali. Did you know one of the most talked about couples, Alia Bhatt and Ranbir Kapoor, were supposed to be each other's first co-stars? Yes, you heard it right. Now, a few years ago, when Alia Bhatt was just 12 and Ranbir was around 20 years old, Sanjay Leela Bhansali had a film titled Balika Vadhu in his mind, for which he wanted Alia Bhatt and Ranbir Kapoor to act. In fact, the couple had a photo shoot for the same, but due to reasons best known to them, the film was later shelved. However, after many years, soon Alia Bhatt and Ranbir will be seen together in Ayan Mukherjee's Brahmastra. Netizens are remembering Bollywood actor Divya Bharti today on her birth anniversary. Now, if the actress was alive today, she would be celebrating her 47th birthday. Divya Bharti, who entered the film industry as a teenager, became one of the most famous and highest paid actresses of her time until she died falling from her balcony in mysterious circumstances at the age of 19. In just 3 years of her career, the actress worked in over 20 films. Those were the top trending entertainment stories for the day. For more such updates, like, share and subscribe to TV9 News. Thank you so much for watching.